In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Leonardo AI, a fantastic tool for generating AI images, videos, and designs. We'll take you step by step on how to get started and make the most out of this incredible technology. So let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to access the Leonardo AI app. It's available online, so go ahead and open your web browser and type in the URL for the Leonardo AI app. Once you've reached the page, you should see an inviting homepage with options for generating AI images, videos, and designs. Now the next step is to log into your account. On the top right corner, you'll see the Sign In button. Give that a click. It's essential to have your credentials ready to ensure a smooth login experience. You'll be presented with several options for signing in, and we recommend using your Google account for convenience. Click on the Google button to continue. After clicking on Google, a window will pop up asking you to select your Google account. Choose the account you wish to associate with Leonardo AI. If you're already signed into your Google account on your browser, you might just see an option to select your account right away, which makes it even simpler. Just make sure you've picked the right account and then proceed to log in. Once you've signed in successfully, you'll find yourself at the Leonardo AI dashboard. Here you can explore various AI tools that Leonardo offers. For our session today, we'll focus on the image generator, but feel free to explore other features whenever you like. Selecting the image generator is as simple as a single click on its corresponding icon. With the image generator open, now comes the exciting part, generating your own images. You'll notice a text field inviting you to type in a prompt. This is where your creativity comes into play. The more detailed and specific you can be with your description, the better the AI-generated output will be. Think about the colors, the atmosphere, and any specific features you want to include. Don't hold back, the possibilities are limitless. After crafting a detailed prompt that truly captures your vision, the final step is to click on the Generate button. This will set the AI in motion, working its magic to produce an image based on your prompt. In just a few moments, you'll see an AI-generated image presented to you on the screen. You can marvel at how closely it aligns with your creative input or tweak your prompt to refine the outcome further. And that's it. You've just learned how to navigate and utilize the power of Leonardo AI for generating stunning images. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep experimenting and pushing the boundaries of creativity with AI. Until next time, have fun generating.